If cars had a Hall of Fame for reliability, these 9 would be the ones getting Lifetime Achievement Awards. These are the vehicles that just refuse to die, the ones that laugh in the face of high mileage, and the ones that make mechanics shake their fists in frustration because they never seem to break down. If you want a car that can outlive your mortgage, survive apocalyptic road trips, and make your grandkids say, "Wait, you are still driving that?" then you are in the right place. Let's dive into the 9 most reliable cars with engines that last forever. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. Engine 1.8-liter 4-cylinder 2ZR FA. The Toyota Corolla is the cockroach of the automotive world. And I mean that in the most admiring way possible. No matter what you throw at it, bad roads, neglect, questionable oil change schedules, this car just keeps going. Taxi drivers love it. College students rely on it. And your mama probably still has a 1998 Corolla that runs just fine, despite having 300,000 miles on it. Sorry about your mama's joke. I don't know what came over me. It's not the flashiest, but if you need a car that will never abandon you, this is it. Number 2. Honda Civic. Engine 2.0-liter 4-cylinder K20. If the Corolla is the responsible nerd, the Honda Civic is the cool friend that's reliable, but also knows how to have fun. These cars are built like tanks, but thanks to Honda's legendary VTEC engines, they also deliver a smooth, enjoyable ride. Honda Civics have been known to hit 400,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. They are fuel efficient, easy to repair, and perfect for anyone who wants a car that works every single time. A quick one, if you're finding value so far, please subscribe for exclusive SUV buying guides and comparisons. All done? Great. Number 3. Lexus ES. Engine 3.5-liter V6 2GR FA. The Lexus ES is proof that you don't have to suffer to own a luxury car. While high-end brands often come with unpredictable repair bills, the ES is just a Toyota Camry that went to finishing school. Meaning you get comfort, style, and bulletproof reliability. If you want a plush ride that will last forever, or at least 500,000 miles without breaking down, the Lexus ES is the smartest luxury buy out there. Number 4. Lexus GX 460. Engine 4.6-liter V8 1UR FA. The Lexus GX 460 is a Toyota Land Cruiser in a fancy suit, which means it's as tough as a rock, but smoother than jazz. It has a beastly V8 engine that doesn't just last forever, but can also tow, climb, and conquer any terrain you throw at it. If you want an SUV that's practically unkillable, the GX 460 is your luxury off-road tank of choice. Number 5. Subaru Outback. Engine 2.5-liter 4-cylinder Boxer FB25. The Subaru Outback is for people who want to go anywhere and never worry about their car breaking down. Whether you are driving through snow, dirt roads, or an actual jungle, the Outback's all-wheel drive and unshakable reliability will get you there. It's not just dependable, it's a lifestyle. Outback owners will swear by their cars, often saying things like, "I've driven mine for 300,000 miles, and I still trust it with my life." And honestly, they are not wrong. Number 6. Subaru Impreza. Engine 2.0-liter 4-cylinder Boxer FB20. If you love Subaru's legendary AWD system but don't need an SUV, the Subaru Impreza is the go-to option. It's reliable, efficient, and practically allergic to breaking down. These cars have been known to survive snowstorms, cross-country road trips, and even the occasional questionable maintenance schedule. If you need a trusty daily driver that won't quit, this is it. Number 7. Toyota Camry. Engine 2.5-liter 4-cylinder A25A FKS. The Toyota Camry is the car people buy when they just want something that works and lasts forever. It's so good at being reliable that even people who don't care about cars will say, "I think I'll get a Camry." Camrys have one of the longest lifespans in automotive history, often pushing 300,000 plus miles without breaking a sweat. If you need a car that can handle life's ups and downs without a single complaint, this is the one. Number 8. Honda Accord. Engine 1.5-liter turbo or 2.0-liter 4-cylinder K20C. The Honda Accord is like that one friend who always has their life together. Efficient, dependable, and surprisingly fun. Whether you go for the fuel-efficient 1.5-liter turbo or the legendary K20 engine, you are getting a car that will last for generations. It's got style, comfort, and an engine that refuses to quit. If you want no drama, no nonsense, just pure reliability, the Accord is your perfect match. Number 9. BMW 340i. Engine 3.0-liter turbo inline-6 B58. Wait, a BMW on a reliability list? Yes, you read that right. The BMW 340i with the B58 engine is shockingly reliable. Some even say it's bulletproof. This engine is so good that Toyota borrowed it for the Supra. We should tell you everything you need to know. If you want a car that drives like a dream, has a turbocharged punch, and doesn't betray you at 100,000 miles, the 340i is a rare gem in the BMW world. Final thoughts. The cars that never quit. Whether you're looking for an unstoppable daily driver, a luxury tank, or a fun yet reliable ride, these 9 cars have proven their worth over millions of miles. On one of these, thinking of buying one? Let us know in the comments which car is your forever ride. Also click the video on your left to discover the 6 cheapest yet most fuel-efficient small SUVs under $15K. Till next time, cheers.